This is your weekly surf drop.
This is a series of 4 videos about the main boats for your trip to the Mentawai Islands. We use the Illustrator list as a basis and organize it alphabetically. Check out the 4th and last videos in the series now. The Santa Luzia is a budget charter boat which can fit 11 guests and share dorm-style accommodations. It is a 65-foot Indo-style boat. The Santana Laut is a unique boat, being a converted trawler fishing boat. Can fit up to 12 guests. The Saraina is an Indo-style boat built in 2003, bunk-style accommodations below with 2 rooms each with 5 beds. The Sibombaru is a 62 catamaran which can fit up to 12 guests in 6 rooms. The Sibonjaya is the slightly larger sister to the Sibombaru. Built in 2015, she is new with nice interiors. Built from the ground up in 2002, the Southern Cross is an Indo-style charter. Dorm-style sleeping for 8, plus 2 private cabins. Starco 2 is the longest boat in the islands, tied with the Bintang, coming in at 115 feet. Has plenty of room, though most charters will have 12 surfers. Switchfoot is another of the smaller catamarans. It is considered a mid-range luxury boat, especially for smaller groups, though it can take up to 10 guests in 5 double-berth cabins. The Tanjiri is the only one in the Mentawais coming in under 50 feet. It can go quick when it wants, up to 17 knots. It is good for small groups. I hope you enjoy it. You can help us by subscribing to the channel and leaving a super like. See you next week with more Surf Drop.